Hello everybody, welcome back to XD. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Discord status of NVIDIA GeForce Now when you play games using NVIDIA GeForce Now. Now, traditionally, NVIDIA GeForce Now will set your Discord status to show what game you're playing. But if you don't want it to show this, then here's how to change that. So you're going to want to scroll to top left and go into settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to scroll down like this. See this right here. See that? In the bottom right corner, Discord Rich Presence. If you don't want other people to see where you're playing, then you just have to turn this off. And if you do, then turn it on. This will automatically be on when you first download the app. So if you want people to be able to see where you're playing, you don't have to do anything. But if you do want people to see but if you don't want people to see where you're playing, then turn it off. And that's as easy as that. From now on, nobody will be able to see what game you're playing.